You know, when we talk about this, if you talk about this one, it means long. You stretch your voice. Long. Long E-I, long. Eyes. Ah, you understand?
Yeah.
She. You stretch it. You understand? Hill. 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 You understand? You understand? You stretch it. But when we talk about this one, just short. Cry. Cry. Now, see what happened? One can differentiate these two. We can differentiate these two by two things. We know that this one is all about. You use I to represent this one. Am I lying?
Yes.
And what? Why? Mostly. This one can be used to represent E. Anything you see E, E-A, E-O, E-E, and E-Y. So it's mostly E. Are you not seeing it?
Yes.
The only place this one attracts E is once E is attached with T and E is attached with D. And it is at the last syllable. Do you understand?
Yes.
At the last word. That's when it attracts E. Like example, bucket, ma. Are you not seeing it here?
Yes.
Wanted. Most E go for
I, long I.
long I. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
But the only place this man attracts E is when it's attached with ET and ED at the last word. At the last,
Where?
like market, you are seeing ED there. One time you are seeing E, you are seeing ET and ED. So it is short I. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thanks for